Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy URLs of all open tabs in Google Chrome. This is incredibly useful when you're researching something and want to save all your open links without manually copying each one. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon, so go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Copy All URLs. This extension is specifically designed to grab the URLs from all your open tabs at once, saving you tons of time compared to manually copying each link. After searching, you'll see the Copy All URLs extension appear in the results. Click on it to open its details page, then click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will install automatically and should only take a few seconds. Now that the extension is installed, it's time to test it out. Go ahead and open multiple tabs in Chrome and load a different website in each tab. This could be news articles, research pages, shopping sites, or anything you're working with. Having multiple tabs open is essential because that's what makes this extension so valuable. With all your tabs open, look at the top right corner of Chrome again near the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions menu. Click on this icon and you'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find Copy All URLs in this list and click on it to activate the extension. A small pop-up window will appear with a button labeled Copy URLs of all tabs. Go ahead and click this button. The extension will instantly capture the URLs from every single tab you have open and copy them to your clipboard. You won't see much happen visually, but the URLs are now ready to be pasted wherever you need them. Now open Notepad or any text editor where you want to save these URLs. Once you have your document ready, simply press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste all the copied URLs. You'll see every single link appear in your document, each on its own line, making it easy to organize or share your collection of tabs. And that's it. You've successfully copied all your open tab URLs in Chrome using a simple extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.